When a lithium-ion battery is stolen, can it be used? I have seen very many people out there, when their lithium-ion battery is stolen, some people just choose to pierce it. But is this really helpful? What you should know is that there are two major causes for the battery swelling. Firstly, high temperature. Secondly, over-discharge or overcharge of the battery. Now, how does high temperature cause the battery to swell? High temperature may cause the positive electrode, lithium copper, to undergo a decomposition reaction due to its unstable state. This whole process produces carbon dioxide gas. Now, high temperature. When the lithium cell voltage is more than 4.3 volts, the remaining lithium atoms in the positive electrode would be very small. This causes the positive electrode to collapse and the materials decompose as well, producing excess gas. Likewise, when the voltage of the lithium cell is very low, say like 0 volts, the remaining lithium atoms in the negative electrode will decompose and the material will collapse, producing gas as well. So, does piercing the battery to release the gas make it repaired? The short answer is no. When the battery is pierced, outer substances like water tend to enter into the battery because the battery is not airtight. This causes these water molecules to react with other components in the battery, producing hydrogen fluoride gas, which corrodes the outer surface, also known as the aluminium foil. So after the battery is being pierced, it is advisable not to use it because this may cause other risks like the battery producing poisonous gases or even exploding. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe.